Hi, this is Glenda, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to take some pictures in an impromptu setup. I have the soap here, and as my backdrop I'm using just regular paper. However, it is bigger. It's the 11 by 17 bond paper, printing paper, and I'm using the printer here and just tape, to hold it on. As my light, first I'm just going to use the window light. Today it's a cloudy day, so I have my camera lighting set up to cloudy, but it's something that I can play with. The light's coming from this side. The most important thing when you're taking pictures is to see the light and modify the light if you can. Because the light is coming from this side, you can see that the shadow is right here, which is fine. It's a natural shadow. But I also have here more paper on the side, and I don't know if the iPad will be able to capture this, but if I lift up this, at least in real life, I don't know if it's visible in the camera as much, the shadow that's right here becomes softer, becomes lighter. And also this part of the soap that doesn't have any light coming to it, because of this, it's reflecting it back to it. Okay, so this is what I did. I lifted the side paper, and then I used the cardboard box, the shipping box, as a stand for it. I still have more light going to the backdrop than this, so ideally when I take the pictures of the soap, I'm going to switch it to the side so that the front is getting more of the window light than if I do this. I'm using my Canon digital SLR, and the settings on the camera depend on the color of the soap. For example, let me see if I can show you that. Earlier I was taking pictures of another soap, that one right there, and I'm going to select the info. If you see, I had the shutter speed for that one at 100 and the aperture to 5.6. The speed is just how long the shutter is going to be open, and the longer it's going to be open, the more light is going to let in. And the aperture is how much light is going to get in. So it's 100 for most of that soap. But see, depending on the angle, see how dark it was when it was from the front? But then when I put it on the side, it's the same settings. The shutter didn't change there, and the aperture is the same, it's 5. Look at the difference from there to there. And I didn't change anything else, just the position of the soap. And this is unedited pictures straight from the camera card. Earlier I had it at 125, and you see it was even darker. But for this soap, 125 was good because it's a light color soap. When I try to even go with a slower aperture, I was even getting too many highlights. You see, it was too white. But I don't want to overcomplicate this. Just wanted to give you ideas set up for your light. So these are some of the pictures that I took with that setup. They're not edited right now, but when I do edit them, I'm just gonna maybe just do some cropping and perhaps some color adjustment to get a pure white backdrop instead of it having a cast. But I hope you like this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.